Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to delete workshop content on Steam. So let's get started. So now here we are on Steam, and from here to delete our workshop content is that basically we would need to log into our account first and go into the Steam app, and from here you want to select any game right here. For example, this one, right click on it, click on properties, and then from here you want to go into the installed files and click on a browse, and then it would show up this folder right here, and from here you want to navigate into the Steam apps, and then from here you should now be able to see the workshop folder. So just click on it and then go to the content. So this is where you would be able to see all the workshop contents of your installed games here in your Steam. So you can delete all of them if you'd want to, but if you'd want to go for a specific game, then you would have to find it here in this folder. But in my case, I'll just delete this because I only have one, because I have already deleted all of them right here. And yeah, that is basically how you can delete your workshop content here on Steam. Thank you for watching.